Hey guys, quick little DIY craft here. You ever seen these giant plastic eggs? I don't know how many people have or haven't, but I am going to turn it into a light. So you'll get to see me do that here. Don't mind all the mess. Sorry about all this. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Dremel and I am going to put the drill bit piece inside. And I'm going to drill a hole right about here. So it's gonna get kind of loud. And then, since that part's done, I'm going to take this piece right here. I'm going to put it back in. I'm going to start it up again. And that should be big enough for the light fixture that I need to put in, which would be this. And it is. So let me undo this. I'm gonna unplug that. And now, let me pick this up again.